All right, today I'm at the Phuket Bird Park. We're gonna be checking this out. This is where I wanted to go. Thank you. Wow. And go everything through here? Yes. Thank you so much. Pop Kung Kop. So I'm going to the bird park today. There's gonna be like a show at 3:30. And yeah, it's pretty much about it. I mean, there's a bird show, 3:30. And I think it costs, how much is that? $15? Yeah, that's $15 to get in. So that's not bad. Look at this. That doesn't look real. Yeah. Flamingos look a little asleep. She said go through. I was like, okay. I guess we got a bird show coming up at 3:30. Wait a minute. There we go.
And Mr. Daniel and Team Star Boy Show. Phuket Bird Park would like to welcome everyone here to another boy.
Whoa, that bird just flew by.
Yeah. This is a great hornbill from Thailand. Her name is Rose. Number 2, Rose is here for Mr. Dylan. Thank you, Dylan and Roshe. That's something you keep to find out about the เทียบกระผมจากทางด้านโน้นนะครับมั่นใจในจากขยะทางด้านนี้ Today with the Spike and Soda, they will show you competition how to take a cabin and walking around in good foot to see them up in you. And take the car riding left to the first, take the Spike and Soda, who are the winning. Are you ready to get started? Sing it up, oh my God! What are the charges? This is Spike. Not knowing how to do what they're going to do. I love my Soda, love my Soda, Soda, oh my God! Soda, Soda, you see it? No, not very careful. We're going to be great. And just wow! Very careful with the Spike. Wow! Very careful with the Spike. The winner of the day. There we go. First one is Mr. Buddy, what about Mr. Popcorn? And last one is Mr. Phuket Bird. Go! Are you ready, Spike? Let's go! Walking running in take number 1, come on! Wow, first one number 1 only was congratulations นะครับมาดูเลขที่2กันว่าจะclass number 4 request number 10 is correct thank you everybody ready Spike let's go walking running in take number 7 come on
So it was a little cool way to get out the house for the day, for a couple of hours. I enjoyed it, and I hope you did too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll be back with more.